Hi, I'm Jeff with Wet Irrigation, Lighting, and Fertilization. Here to tell you real quick about dry granular fertilizer compared to liquid fertilizer. Some companies use liquid. We, however, do not. We feel that it's not as effective as granular fertilizer. The reason being is that with liquid, you need to do multiple applications. It works very fast, but it also leaves the lawn very quickly. We don't have that problem when you use granular. It takes, over time, it gets wet, gets into the soil, and slowly releases throughout the plant material. That way you get your weed control and your green up for even longer periods. You don't need as many treatments in between, and we feel that we can just control it better. The other problem is that a lot of error comes in mixing the liquid a lot of times, to where other companies could really do a lot of damage to a lawn if it has been mixed improperly and or applied improperly. There is much less margin of error with granular. So that's one of the reasons we use it. We just feel it's more effective in that we can help you keep a healthier, greener, thicker carpet-like lawn by using that as opposed to the liquid. Thank you very much.